Hi, my name is Robert Rich, and I'm a project assistant with the William Blake Archive at the University of Rochester. Did you know that in addition to searching the textual transcriptions of William Blake's works, you can also search for certain images? If you use the archive search function to search for a word, the results that come up will be sorted by category. Note that two of these categories are illustration description and image tag. But what does that mean? With the exception of Blake's notebook and 4 Zoas, every image in the Blake archive comes with an illustration description. To view the illustration description for an object from reading mode, simply click on Illustration Description at the bottom of the screen. Or, from gallery mode, click on the little eye in the bottom left-hand corner to bring up the menu and click on Illustration Description. The illustration description is what it sounds like, a long comprehensive description of the image. How many human figures are there? Which way are they facing? What are they wearing? Where are the snakes in the image, and what are they doing? What kind of landforms and vegetation are there? Everything. First, there's a full description of the entire illustration. Then the illustration description is divided up by component. A component is some object in space, a tree, a human, an animal, a rock, or something like that. Each component is accompanied by 3 things. The first is the sector in which it is located. If you're wondering what these letters mean, A refers to the upper left quadrant, B to the upper right quadrant, C to the lower left quadrant, D to the lower right quadrant, and E to the entire image. 2-letter combinations can designate that the part of the image being described is located in both quadrants. The second thing that each component contains is a list of key words, signifying what the component is. So these snakes down here in the bottom right-hand corner are a component. It's in sector D because it's the lower right-hand corner, and the key words, as you can see, are snake, serpent, head up, facing forward, spike, spiky, scales, crest, and loop. These key words, then, are followed by a description of that component, which is the third thing. Every one of these key words and every word in the description is searchable. In other words, if you search for that word, the object in which it is used as a key word or in the illustration description will come up. So, if we search for spiky, we get the image as one of our results. I hope that quick tutorial was helpful. We'll be back again with more tutorial videos on all the features of the Blake Archive. Please check our blog and Twitter for more info and for publication announcements.